Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to grow your business, attract more clients, and generate leads without spending a dime on ads, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into practical tips for B2B organic lead generation. Whether you're a solopreneur, part of a growing team, or just looking to maximize your reach, these tips will help you generate consistent, high-quality leads organically. Let's get started. First things first, your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a goldmine for B2B connections, but your profile has to be set up right to attract the right people. Here's what you need to do: professional headline, clearly define who you help and how. Instead of just listing your job title, use this space to mention the solution you provide. Custom banner, use a banner that visually communicates your brand or service. Engaging about section, share your story, focus on your target audience's pain points, and show how you solve them. Call to action, CTA, include a clear CTA in your summary, whether it's to book a call, visit your website, or download a free resource. This will make your profile a magnet for potential leads. Next up is content marketing. Instead of pushing your services, focus on sharing valuable content that educates and engages your audience. Here's how: blogging, start a blog on your website to answer common pain points in your industry. LinkedIn posts, share insights, case studies, and tips directly on LinkedIn. Posts that offer solutions get shared and noticed. Video content, share how-to videos or webinars that provide practical tips for your industry. Repurpose content, turn a blog post into a video, or a podcast episode into a series of LinkedIn posts. Maximize each piece of content. By offering valuable insights, you position yourself as an expert in your field, building trust with potential leads. Organic lead generation is a long game, and consistency is key. You can't just post content and hope for leads to roll in. Here's what you need to do to stay top of mind: comment on posts, engage with other people's content on LinkedIn or other platforms. This builds visibility and shows you're active in the community. Follow up, after connecting with someone new, send a follow-up message, but keep it personalized. Don't sell right away, focus on building a relationship. Use polls and questions, regularly ask questions or create polls to get your audience to engage with your content. Email newsletters, send out valuable tips, case studies, and insights to your email list. Regular communication builds relationships over time. Staying active and engaging with your audience consistently will build your credibility and keep you on their radar. Another powerful way to generate organic B2B leads is by showcasing your results through case studies and testimonials. Here's how to leverage them effectively: create a case study section on your website, highlight real results you've achieved for clients. Break it down by problem, solution, and outcome. Share testimonials on LinkedIn, post client success stories or video testimonials that speak to the value of your services. Show results in your content, weave success stories into your blog posts, LinkedIn content, and email newsletters. People trust other people's experiences, and showcasing real results will help build trust and credibility with potential clients. Last but not least, don't forget the power of partnerships. Collaborating with complementary businesses is a great way to expand your reach. Here's how to approach it: identify complementary businesses, look for companies that offer services to your target market but aren't direct competitors. Offer value first. When reaching out, explain how the partnership can be mutually beneficial. Don't just ask for referrals, offer something in return. Cross-promote content, share each other's content, co-host webinars, or collaborate on blog posts to reach new audiences. Strategic partnerships can open doors to new opportunities and introduce you to leads that would have taken years to reach on your own. And there you have it, practical tips for generating B2B leads organically. From optimizing your LinkedIn profile to leveraging content marketing and partnerships, these strategies are all about building relationships and providing value. Remember, organic lead generation takes time, but the results are long-lasting and cost-effective. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to implement first. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.